it's time to wash the hair, and I thought I would show you how I'm using the new Seint Cloud Cleansing Cream and the Heavenly Hair Gloss. So this is day, let's see, I had my hair done on Saturday, and today is Tuesday. So I normally maybe wait until Wednesday. I haven't brushed it out. This is what it looks like. I did have it blown out straight. I just had it colored, and I'm going to be using the shampoo, and I'm going to show you exactly how I shampoo, condition, style, and do my hair on a wash day. Let's do this. We're I am wearing a bathing suit. I have not brushed through my hair, so let's see how this works. The first few times I used this product, I think the first time my hair was curly and I had not done any brush through or anything, and my hair can be really tangly. I have very thick coarse hair. Here's the cloud cleanser. I'm going to use 4 pumps because I think that's going to saturate my head, and that's the key to this product. I'm just going to rub it in and get it all over my head. Now it doesn't lather, so if you're used to something lathering, this is going to be hard for you to get used to, but it's sulfate free, and the key to this, and I could use actually another one, so I'm going to do another pump, is get it all through your hair and then massage it into your scalp. And what I like to use is one of these, see that? It's like a scalp massager, and I'll link that below. Just go in and scrub it all over your scalp like this. Oh, it feels really good. You're gonna love using a tool like this. And what you want to do is lift up any debris, stimulate your scalp, and just go all the way over, all over your scalp. This will help, if I didn't say that already, release any product buildup that you have. It's so good for the circulation, it's good for hair growth, and like I said, it feels so good. And then you want to leave this in your hair. Once you've done the massaging, leave it in your hair for like 3 to 5 minutes. So now I'm going to wash my body, and I'll be back when I rinse it out. One thing I like to do while I'm waiting for this in my hair is use these mitts, because these are so good to exfoliate your body. So I'll put these and I'll get to work exfoliating, and then hopefully that'll be a good 3 to 5 minutes, and I'll be ready to rinse for the first time. What I haven't done yet is comb through my hair or detangle it. So I'm going to do that next before it rinse out. I'm going to show you, I'm going to use this flexible brush. This is also one of the products that you can get. And like I said, I haven't brushed through my hair. And look how easy this is, combing or brushing through my hair. This never happens. My hair is really knotty, and so this is actually really good. Just have a little one right there and go through. This is great. I like doing it with this cleansing cream in here because then it's not going to tear, and I'm impressed that it can get through my hair because it is kind of a flimsy kind of brush, and I have really thick hair, as I showed you. It's really flimsy. Ooh, and it moves. So rinse that out. We will rinse our hair. I'm going to rinse it, and I'm going to turn the temperature down. It's actually kind of lukewarm right now. So I'm going to take it to more of a cooler, lukewarm, and I'm going to rinse my hair really, really well. I'm running my hands through my hair, and I don't really feel any knots. It's really nice. It's really easy. You see, I'm just pulling it through. Get as much of it out here. Better out. Now I'm going to do a second cleanse. I'm just going to make this a little more for me. Let's do 3 pumps for this. And so that's not too much. And this is a huge bottle. It is so big. I don't know if you can tell. Let's see, what have I got here? I've got my husband's edge. So it's this wide and this wide. It's so big. It's got, I think it's, what is it? 100 milliliters is 33.8 fluid ounces, so it is a lot. I'm just running it through my hair, and I'm not really doing anything other than getting it and working it through my hair. Like I said, I have thick, coarse hair, so it doesn't feel super slick right now. It just feels soft, and I can run my fingers through my hair pretty easy. I mean, my hair, see, it's not, this is easier than if I used a different product to run my hands through my hair. So if I was going to do my hair curly, this is impressive. You can just go in and sort of pull out any knots. Okay, so now this rinse is really important. This one has to be cold. Eek! I really want to get cold. Okay, going down to cold. That just runs my body off. It's pretty much all the way on cold. So I'm going to do it this way because I'm a moment. Just running it through my scalp to make sure I don't have anything left. I'm actually going to comb it out while I'm in the shower to get rid of some of this water. And look how easy this is brushing through my hair. This is unheard of. Never goes this easy after I've washed and conditioned my hair. I'm really impressed, especially with this brush because it's such a, there's a few little snags. This is, like I said, it's not like a thick comb, you know, or a wide tube comb. So here I am just brushing it through. I'm just trying to get any last knots out of my hair. And this is exactly what I do when I wash my hair. So nothing new there. Okay, let's get out, let's get a robe on, and let's get to the next part.
I'm back. Okay, dried off. Put my hair in this microfiber towel. I will link all this below. So I like to use this since it's not harsh on my hair. This is it. It's still very wet. And this is when I'm going to go in. Whew, can't see. This is when I'm going to go in with the Heavenly Hair Gloss. This is a really weightless, like a serum. And I'm going to do 2 pumps. Oh, where's the edge? There it is. So actually I might do, oop, there's a little hair, no little drip, so you see. And I am going to take that. You can see it's just like an oil serum, but it evaporates. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the back of my hair, definitely on my ends like this. And whatever is left on my hand, I'm going to run it through my hair like this. And then I'm just going to brush through with, ooh, see how easy this brush is? Because I have not done anything since I last saw you except put my robe on and dry off. And look how easy my brush, this detangling brush, is going through my hair. Now I can't explain to you how difficult this normally is. So this is a huge win right here for me. So let's get it styled and I'm going to show you how it ends up. I may do a 3rd pump at the end, but right now, ooh, that was just 2. And there we go. Let's get this going. This is my setup right here. I use the Shark Flex. Right now, this is just one of those smoothing nozzles. And then I have my Detangle Brush. I have the paddle brush, which I can use later. And then I have the rest of the items that go with the Shark Flex right in here. I like using a pad like this because this hairdryer gets really, really hot. And so I want to make sure that it's not burning or anything on the counter. I like to put my hair into several sort of groupings. I guess I'll do one big one and then I'll start in the back like this. And I'll speed this up so you don't have to be here for however long it takes. But I am going to set a timer on my, I'm going to use one of these, actually like this. I like these clips. I'll link all these things. And then you want to make sure, you can see how curly my hair is. And you want to do it in small groups. So I'm going to just twist this up. And I'm going to use this pin, this hair clip instead. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And I'm going to start a timer on my watch, but I'm going to speed this video up so that you don't have to see the whole thing in real time. Stopped a few times just to sort of take a drink of water, and so the total time is 17 minutes 50 seconds, so it's probably a little bit shorter than that, but I want to finish off the edges, maybe go through, but you can see, look how easy this brush goes right through my hair, and my hair is usually not this soft or smooth when I brush it, or when I blow it out, I should say. So let's use, this is the paddle brush. I can just brush it through if I want, but I'm going to do just a little bit of styling with my regular round brush, but I want to just show you, this is the results from using the 2-in-1 Cloud Cleansing Cream and just 2 pumps of the Heavenly Hair Gloss. And I'm going to do, like I said, just finish it off. I'm going to add another pump of the gloss. I always feel like I should do more than that, and I'm just going to rub that along the ends, run it through my hair like this, because it just feels so good. And there's nothing else in my hair, as you saw. It's just that. And look how smooth that is, and there's no flyaways, and it's straight, smooth, silky, soft, and it doesn't feel weighed down with this hair gloss. It's unbelievable. It evaporates. I think it also has some heat protectant as well in it. I'll post right here what is included in the Heavenly Gloss, like what are the benefits, but I do know that it evaporates. It has some silicone in it, and it's just so lightweight, and then you can see how easy it is to move through your hair. Now, obviously, if you have thinner hair or you have oily hair, I would go with less. You may not want to double cleanse. You may just want to do it once. But for my hair, this is a 10 out of 10. Can't help myself. I'm just going to do a little bit of work around the front of my face, and then I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to put on this nozzle, which directs the flow of air, as you know, if you want to use a brush. So I'm just going to do around my face. I'm going to show you what that looks like when I'm done, and then I like this being a little bit curlier, and I don't have the round brush. I only have the oval brush, so that is something that I need to buy. That's it. That is everything that I used today in my Get Ready With Me hair wash day. I am really happy with the new Cloud Cleansing Cream and then this hair gloss. It's just amazing. So what I've done the last few times I've washed, well, I've only had it, and this is my 3rd hair wash with this system, but during the week I will add this between wash days. And again, like I just did it did not weigh my hair down. It evaporates. It just smooths out any flyaways. It makes it so smooth. And my hair does get very dry between wash days, between exercising, and if I do exercise or I take a shower, I usually wear a shower cap, and then I'll put my hair upside down and just blow out any sort of dampness or wetness, maybe do a few runs with the curl brush, and then I'll add this again. But I do not wear any hairspray normally. I sometimes will do a texturizing spray if I want to do hot curls or something like that, or just need a little bit more grip to my hair. So if you're worried about that, you can definitely use those products as well. And yeah, that's everything that I used today, and this is how it turned out. I mean, I'm very happy. It's like I got my hair professionally blow dried, but I did it at home. So that's why I love it so much. If you like this video, please leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. Do you have any questions about the products? How to use shampoo and do your hair? And yeah, and don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps other people find my channel. You'll get notified when no videos go up. And check back, because you'll see my hair through the week as I do other videos. I'm also on Instagram, so you can see what my hair looks like on a day-to-day basis. But for a wash day with this new product, I couldn't be happier. For me, it's a 10 out of 10. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. So now, if you want to really level it up and doing it at home, you got to use these Velcro rollers. And I like putting them in to my hair just around the top, and then I'll leave them in for a little while, and it's just as easy as this. And it's great because it'll give your hair more body and the curve that you want, or if you want like some curving. And then I'll walk around for a while with these in my hair, and I'll be back when I take them off. In the future, I just wanted to show you what it would look like if you use these. I didn't put any spray, it's kind of falling apart, but it will give a nice little curl to my hair, as you'll see. And I'll just pull these out so you can see. And this is just a nice little bonus, especially, you know, you could take like a texturizing spray like this, and it'll just help hold it. I like this, actually. I'm looking for a new one, but this is Moroccan Oil Dry Texture Spray. It's got some, I think it has a little bit of oil in it. It's good, it has a soft grit for just holding your hair a little bit more. So take this out, and I'm always on the lookout for new products that are kind of different. But yeah, this is what this looks like when it's all done. Oh, I forgot one. Be careful it doesn't pull. And then you can spray your hair upside down. And that's it. This was a quick addition, but you get the idea. If you had it in longer, it would be curlier, but you can see how it just gave a little more volume. And again, spray it upside down and it'll do the trick. So yeah, that was a little bonus addition to this video.